Hello everyone, welcome back. So we have implemented the features and I went and created the pull request, and also I have performed the pull request review, and also I have handled the pull request comments. So to avoid the repetition of the videos, I didn't actually record those pull request review cycles. However, I'm almost at the end and I think it is a good time to share what we did. So for the task we were working was T1E1 T3, which is this one, where we wanted to implement the infrastructure and the observability. Right now, the changes of this work are mostly in after the two things over here. From the Prisma, we have created the Prisma. Where is it? Down below. Yep. And the other stuff. Then we have some specs. Then we have the tests. Then we have the implementation code like cache service, Redis client. So I'll not go through the code itself because, as I said before, our main target is to explain how we're working or using the Cloud code or the open code. In the future video I'll show you. So far so good. Now what I'll do, I will show you the pull request comments. Now let's go back to the conversation a little bit. Okay, so initially 3 days ago, if you say like the initial review, it was saying it's good, but I went and implement the suggestions as well. So these are the suggestions or questions it was made, and again using the agent or the plot code, I have implemented and replied as well. So these are the replies. If you see, so everything is here for your documentation purpose. So if you are confused, just come to this pull request number 12 and see these changes, and yeah, it will be available here always. Now let's merge this task, wash and merge first. But yeah, we don't want to delete the branch so that you come later and see the branch as well. Now if we come here, and our task 3 is gone away. So far what we did is we have completed the task 1, task 2 and task 3. So project scaffolding done, share primitives done, infrastructure done, and everything was done using the agentic coding and the other helping tools. So I think that's it for now. It was a short video, sorry for that. In the next video we'll be starting the DI containers and the middleware, but again those will be like not too much video on the agentic coding anymore because I have shown you quite a lot of things already. So I'll just repeat those things in the upcoming videos. I hope you like it. See you in the next video.